Hi, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and I'm going to be showing you the differences between the Getac V110 convertible laptop, fully rugged, and the Panasonic Toughbook CF-20, which is also fully rugged. And obviously the first differences you see is the Getac is a little bigger, a little thicker than the CF-20, as you can see. It's a good, I would say, half an inch thicker. This one is going to be a little bit heavier than the CF-20. The screen on the Getac spins around like so that you can make it into a tablet, whereas on the CF-20, the screen releases and now I have a tablet here. Now, the CF-20 comes with two batteries. One battery is in the tablet portion. The second battery is on the bottom of the keyboard. The V110, you can have two batteries, I believe. Yep. You can have a battery, it goes in this port here. Yep, battery number 2. And battery number 1 would go in this port here. So you do have the options to have two batteries here, but it stays with the machine no matter what you do. So even if you turn it into a tablet, you still have two batteries. I like the V110's keyboard way better than the CF-20. The keys are nice and bouncy and they're larger. So I kind of have fat fingers. I like larger keys. This is a backlit keyboard. It's just nicer. It's larger, so you can type easier. So if typing is important, that's what you want to go with. The CF-20, on the other hand, the keys are smaller. You can see the difference in size, and it is still backlit, so you can see it at night. But like I said, I like this keyboard better than I like on the CF-20. Now, port covers. The V120 comes with some really robust port covers, where you got USB ports, for example, there. Or over here we have your PCMCI port here. They're nice and rubber coated. They're just very robust. Whereas on the CF-20, you can take a look real quick. CF-20, the port covers are smaller, obviously, but they don't have the same kind of rubber robust protection that the V110 has, although it is still considered fully rugged. They're also smaller, and in my opinion, they feel like they may break off a little easier. So if port covers are important for you in a harsh environment, that's what you need to be worried about. Other than that, difference, weight, size of keyboard, and port covers. Those are the main differences in these two units. Depends on how you use them or what you need in your job. Well, anyways, that's all I got for you this week. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.